Now we've got the wheel arches. Right, so that's the wheel arch cut out. Now I need to make the slight flare. I've got this. Yeah, that'll do it. But now I've got to bend that to the shape I want. How to do. There we go, one wheel arch in. Quite happy with that. Now I just got to do the other one. I think now I'm going to start making the bonnet and start shaping things up a little bit before I can then do the roof and the back. Don't ask me why I'm doing it in Alder, I just am. I just feel like that's probably the easiest. So let's get on with that and we'll see how we get on. Right, so the bonnet. That's relatively flat, comes out further than the wings, but then it's got this big bulge, or at least it has on this one. So let's head about making those. It's got a point down the middle which I need to use the bead roller for. It's also got a slight one there as well. So let's see how we get on. So let's start off with a piece of flat metal, which is, let's see, is it slightly wider at the back? It's 5, so 10 is slight, yeah, it's fine. Seems to be dead square according to that. So 10 centimeters by so 12, 10 by 12. Doesn't look too bad, bit rusty. Hey ho. Alright. 12 is there, 10 centimeters is there, then 12. Okay, then that should be 10. Close enough. Okay. Now with goggles, don't want another trip down the hospital again this weekend. So there we got the starters of it. Right, so I've measured that line and it's hardly anything. It's like 2 mil, so I think I'm going to go 5 mil, because it's just going to be easier. I think it'd be too fine otherwise. It'd be very difficult to bead roll. It's the opposite side. So let's do this slowly. Keep my line straight. Okay. So that has, I think, done what I want it to do on that side. So let's do the same there. Okay, so let's put the lines in, but now I need to flatten that piece down because it's curled it up. Nothing a little hammering can't sort, I think. Alright, I'm just going to need some hammering afterwards, but let's go for it. Okay, we got the line. It's pretty pointed, I suppose. So let's go with that. Okay, so now we've got that centre line down. Now I want to see if I can actually get that bulge. I don't think I will be able to, but maybe I just won't make it quite so big. Let's try, see what we get. So 6 centimeters wide. Oh. Okay. Again, doesn't look like it gets any thinner. So we're going to go down here. And it goes all the way down. 4, so 8. That's almost there, look. To there. Just draw that line across there, just to make it more obvious when I'm doing it. Right, so we're set. Let's see. Let's see how well it goes. Pathetic. go past, and then I'll have to flatten it out, I think. Right, so there we have it. We do need to do some hammering there though. So if I cut that there now, we should be able to bend that down to make that piece there, hopefully. Let's try that. Okay. Now, I should be able to bend that down, in theory. So after a lot of banging and bits of welding and whatnot, I've got the bonnet done. Quite happy with it. Could do with a bit of a curve, but whenever I do it, it just goes wrong. So it's going to have to do like that. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with the way that's come out. It should match up to there now, like so. And the other one, if you can find it. And the other one there.